Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to solve this Rubik Cube. In this video you'll learn how to solve the whole cube with single move, so that you didn't have to remember any steps, or like you can easily build the cubes with the single move. So the single move is, so you can hold the cube anywhere over here, and just this is like from here, so you can see right up, right down, up down. So this is like master move. So right up, right down, up. So this is the only move by which the cube can be solved within this whole tutorial. If we do this move a few more times, within like 6 times, we'll get to its like original position. So you can see within 6 different moves, this is will get this into the original position. So the another and similarly the another move is go with left hand. So left dash, up dash, left, up. So once more time, left dash, up, left dash, left, up. So again, if you go with few more moves, so this is like a master move by which with 6 moves we'll build the cube similarly. So first of all, like I'll just move this cube with like random. Now let's go with the first step. So first step is to build one face of the cube. So to build one face, you can just select any color. So within this color, like I'll be selecting white, so that the white can be like remembered easily. And for this we need to make this white cross first of all. So we will see where are other like white spots. So here's one white spot. So this white spot can be moved to this white this center piece with like just a one move. So we will just move this piece to here, and I will move right here. So that like we'll go with like another move. So another is has like a green piece. So we will change this green piece. This position of this green piece is over here. So we'll move this green piece back to here, like come right here, and we will build the cube. So if we come back here, the green and the blue, so both pieces are like matched over here. Another is like this one with like orange. So here's orange, white with orange. So the piece should be turned. Well, this first we will move this piece to here, and like this piece, this placement should be over here. So we will move this back to like a bit more size, and we'll build back, and like our this orange piece also will be built over here. So another white piece is here. So we'll first turn a bit, and the placement doesn't come here, so we will just move here, and we'll try to turn this cube here and then come back. So that our all cross white cross line with this space lines here. Now let's go with like second step. So the second step is to match all these first corners. So within these corners, the easiest one is to search for white piece on the top. So on this three face. So here's like white over here or even like here. So we can make this, like we can start moving with the right hand move or left hand move. So we will be selecting the move to go with here. So first this is within green and red, so we will search for green and red base. So here's green and here's red and here's white. So this displacement should be over here. So now we'll go with like our universal common move. That is like we'll hold this cube by right hand and this finger. So first one is like right, up, right down, and up, back, up this. So this way, like we can see this is already built. So let's search for another white. So this one and like blue and orange. So blue, orange, blue, orange, white. So blue, orange, white piece should be brought over here. So now we will do the same move again and again until this white comes to the down. So one, it's here. So let's do again. So it's here. Let's do it third time, and now it comes over here. So okay, this is also built. Now another is red, blue, and white. So red, blue, and white. So red, blue, and white. So this placement should be over here. So let's see this piece should be moved over here. So let's do again the same steps. Right, up, down, so right, down, back, and again once, right, down, back. So okay, you can see this piece is already built. Another and the last piece here is the white should be placed over here. So let's do this. So we will move this piece to down. So one, down, come back. So we can see the first layer is like already built up. Okay, so now let's go with like second layer move. So we can see the second piece. We have to so we have to search for the piece which is not yellow. So we cannot search this. So yeah, we will select for this piece. So and for this piece we will try to make this like T shape. It's like a opposite T, downward T. So if this is not yellow, then this piece should be moved either here or here. So we can see this move, this piece should be moved to here. So it's blue one, so blue should be moved here. So now to like make this second step, the move becomes first we need to like hide this. So the placement is over here. So first to place this over here, we need to hide this to another place. So we'll move, we'll rotate once to its like opposite direction, and then we'll go with the same right hand move. So one step, and again like we need to go with like next move. So the piece is over here. So with this piece, like we'll select as we have gone with like right hand move, so we need to go with one left hand move. So now we can see the piece has been placed over here, orange and blue piece. So now let's search for another piece, so red and green. So first we need to match this opposite D, and then this green piece must be moved over here. So first we will hide this piece and do one move, one like a right hand move, so down, back, and another again. So as this comes upward, so we'll go with again left hand move. So up, down, left and up. So with this you can see red and green is like matched over here. So now I will search for another piece, this red one. So red, so this should be moved here. So now this piece should be moved to here. So what to do is we will hide this to like its opposite placement. So one move, and then first as this is moved backward, first we need to start with left hand move. So left hand move is left dash, up dash, left, up, and then as this placement is over here, so we will just rotate this cube and we'll do right hand move with this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So with these 4 steps we can see the cube has been built, but this piece has been rotated over here. So first here like on top, like they are all yellow. So what we need to do is first we need to move any piece over here, and then again move this piece comes to upward direction, and then we'll again try to build the cube. So what we'll do is we'll just hide anywhere so that red and yellow and green piece will come over here. So I'll just hide this piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again with this 1, 2, 3, 4. So right and left side. So red and yellow. So red and yellow piece has been on the top. Red and yellow and green piece came over here. So now the green and orange. So now the green and orange. So we'll move this piece to over here. So first we'll hide the cube. We'll hide this item, do right hand move, and then rotate the cube, and then do again left hand move. So now you can see all the second layer has been done. So now let's go with like third steps. So what we have to do for this step is to match the cross. So to match this cross, first we need to rotate like face, as we will be holding this cube as right or left. So first we will move this right hand, and then this is like our first move. We'll get back to its original place. So as this is again like in like minus step, we'll again do the same thing. So first rotate the face, and then we'll go with as like white is always on the bottom. So we'll go with right hand move, and like plus is like bell. So you can see green, red, and like blue and orange. So blue and orange, this face and this face needs to be like exchanged. And what we do is we'll just do the same move as we continue with like this. So as we need to exchange these two part, so we just rotate this cube with like a downward, so that we will again like build the cube this way, and as this is like the next move, we'll just rotate this and then again color it the same. Now we can see all the plus edges, has been like built. So yeah, another case is like none of the corner pieces are on their positions. That means like we have blue, orange, orange and blue. So orange and blue must be exchanged, and another is like green and red must be exchanged. In other ways, like if we see here like a green and blue, the orange and red should be exchanged. So we will not prefer this position, but we'll either make this position to exchange or this position to exchange, or like only two of them will be exchanged. So this will be our another case. So within this case we need to exchange this one and this one. So the step for this is same like front and then like right move, but like we'll do this like 2 times, so that like we'll have like a minus over here. So yeah, and then like as we continue with that, like we will get the result. But what we do is we'll just revert the top, and again do the same like front and then right move, and then like lastly get back. So now we can see this is and this is like all 4 crosses are like done. It's turn for like corners one, and the corner one is like quite more simple. So first we need to find which position is like best fitted over here. So you see this is in its like original place, others other like all 3 should be like moved. So as this is like our like basic, so we'll just hold this and we'll try to like run like 3 moves here. So 1, 2, 3. So and coming back, like we'll go with like right move. So 1, 2, 3. So now we can see this placement is like same, and again these placement are still not done. So we will do this steps again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So with this step, now we can see this placement. This is also fine. This placement red, orange and yellow, blue, orange and yellow. So all the edges corners are on their places. Now it's our like final step to build just rotate these pieces over here. So now what we do is like we'll move this cube to like opposite direction, and within this opposite direction, so what we do is the yellow portion must be on the down. So for this we will go with like moves, the same moves until the yellow comes down. So I'll just point this yellow here. So one, it's over here, 2, 3, and 4. So we can see the yellow is placed. So with this now we will not leave this thumb. So and we'll also not move any other portions here. We'll just move the bottom face. So again we'll try to move this yellow to down. So we'll do again the same move, right move. It's like 1, 2, it's here, 3, it's over here. So we can see this is like done. Again now yellow is over here. So it's up, it's down, it's in the middle,